Marco here learned to cook in the joint.
Alright y'all, it's the next day. As y'all know, I'm putting those red seats on the Scat Pack, but the sides are torn because the airbags from the old seats were blown. So we're up here at S&R Auto Upholstery. They're gonna go ahead and get us right. So I'm gonna go in here, pass this all to them, and then we might get it back in a couple of days. Alright y'all, so just that fast, I was in here probably like an hour, they already did it. You see everything was perfect. You want to come hit them up, S&R Auto Upholstery. They do everything, headliners, anything you might need for the car. As you can see, that's the phone number right there. 6290 is the address, and it's over here on Beaufort Highway. So 6290 Beaufort Highway, S&R Auto Upholstery. So just come stop by, whatever you need, they can help you out as far as interior. Just come talk to them, even if you want to get the new drop top, put it on your roof of your car, all that stuff, they can do that. So just come by, hit them up, they'll get you right. Took out the seats. There they go right there. So in a second, I'm gonna pull all this stuff out of here. Go ahead and clean it up a little bit. Then I'm gonna go ahead and throw the new seats in. So basically, for these seats right here, pretty much what you gotta do is disconnect the seat belt. I went ahead and cut it because I'm gonna get new seat belts anyway. So here's just 4 bolts that bolt the seat in. One here, and then 2 in front. And then you'll have this wire and harness that you gotta disconnect from the bottom of the seat. And that's pretty much it for the fronts. And then for the backs, there's gonna be these 2 side panels. I don't know if that's what you call them, but yeah. So there's gonna be a bolt, I believe, right here for it. And then another one on the other side, of course. You just pull it off. And then for the main part of the seats, there's gonna be 2 here. And 1, 2. Another one here, and 2 more on the far side. And then to get this bottom part out, it's pretty much this slot right here, and that slot pretty much just pops in on these tabs that are right there. So all you gotta do is pull up really hard and they'll come out. So now that I got those out, I'm gonna go ahead and get these in, and once I get finished, I'm gonna show y'all the finished product. But the crazy part is, I'm gonna pull out the car, so I'm gonna have to space 30 seats in, so I'm gonna have to like take a knee or something right here so that I can back it up, because there's obviously no seat. So we'll see how that works. All right, y'all see it? We got the seats installed. The things look clean, boy, I ain't gonna lie to you. Flowing in with the red trim and everything we got going on right here. Same on the dash. It's that black and red flow all the way through. So pretty much on the inside at this point, we pretty much done. All we gotta do is have the airbag module reset now. New airbag and a new steering wheel that we gonna put in here that y'all gonna see later on. And then the seat belts. And then that's pretty much it for the inside. And we get y'all a quick little walk around. Man, it just looks so good. So it's real easy. We can all do this at home. It's not really something you need to take out somewhere to have done. All you need is some time, patience, and a little bit of know-how. But even if you ain't got the know-how, you got YouTube, man. So y'all just get on here, man, and just find out how to do this stuff. I found out just like that. Nobody taught me. I just got on here, watched the videos, and made it happen. If I could do it, y'all can too. All right, and see y'all in the next one. Peace out.